Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo, and I'm here today with the ThinkStation P300 small form factor workstation. Today we are going to be replacing the system fan. This process will take about 10 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. There are no tools required, but a pair of needle nose pliers might come in handy. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. Now that we're ready, let's get started. To remove the cover, we must first remove 2 thumb screws. Next, we're going to press the release button, slide the cover towards the rear of the system, and remove it. Now we're going to release the front bezel, which is done by pushing outward on the clips. Now we're just going to swing the front bezel open like a door and remove it. Now we're going to remove the fan duct. To do that, you just pull outward on the 2 clips and lift the fan duct straight off of the fan. To open the drive bay assembly, you must first press inward on the blue release latch and swing the drive bay assembly open until the latch locks into place. Before removing the system fan, we must first disconnect the cable from the system board. Now we're going to remove the cable from the guides. First, we're going to twist the guide to unlock it and pull the cable out. Then we're going to press inward on the clip and open this guide and remove the cable. Now I'm going to reach down into the chassis, grasp the fan, and using my fingers or a pair of needle nose pliers, stretch the rubber grommets until they fit through the holes in the front of the chassis. Once you've got those out, you just want to lift the fan up and out of the system. Here we have our replacement system fan. Now I'm going to place the fan down into the system, and we want to align the rubber grommets with the holes in the front of the chassis. After we've got those lined up, we just want to stretch the rubber grommets until they fit through the holes. You can use your fingers for this, but I'm using a pair of needle nose pliers. Just makes things a little easier. Next, we're going to install the cables into the guides. First, we're going to install it into this guide and press down on the clip until it locks. Then we're going to install the cable into the twist guide and twist the guide. Now we're going to connect the fan cable to the system board. To close the drive bay assembly, we need to lift up slightly on the drive bay assembly, press the blue release latch, and swing the drive bay assembly closed until the clip locks into place. Now we're going to align the fan duct with the heatsink fan assembly and then press down until the clips lock into place. When we're replacing the front bezel, we want to assure that the hinges on the bezel align with the hole in the chassis. Once those are lined up, we can just close the front bezel like a door and apply pressure until the clips lock into place. When replacing the cover, it's important that the tabs on the cover align with the notches in the chassis. You place the cover down onto the chassis, slide it towards the front of the system. Finally, we're going to replace 2 thumb screws.